Where do I find my Microsoft account and password? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. How to find the email address of your Microsoft account. For that, you need to check your phone or laptop. If you have used your Microsoft account on your phone or computer, open the Outlook app on your mobile device and click on your profile picture. You will see your email address. On a Windows PC, press Windows plus I to open settings and your email address will appear at the top of the screen. Alternatively, launch the Mail app to view your email address. If you are signing on a browser, go to outlook.live.com and click on the profile picture to see your email address. You can also use the recovery Microsoft username. For that, go to Microsoft username recovery. Enter an alternative email address or phone number associated with your account. Enter the security code sent to your alternate email or phone, and once verified, your Microsoft account username will be displayed. To find your passwords of your Microsoft account, you can easily check your password manager. If you have saved your Microsoft account password in a browser, you can retrieve it. For that, let's open a browser. You need to navigate to the three dots at top right. Scroll down and click on Settings. Check for Autofill and Password option at bottom left or left side panel. Now click on Google Password Manager and locate your Microsoft account in the list. You can easily click the eye icon to reveal the password, and you may need to enter your device password for confirmations. And from here, you can easily know your passwords of your Microsoft account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.